How to check rewards of hero in Marvel Rivals. Now to be able to do that, go to Heroes tab. Now here, select the hero that you want to check rewards for example, this Iron Man. Now after that, go and click on Proficiency, and now click on Reward. So this is the reward of that hero, as you can see. So this is the spray level reward, the co-prompt, and the avatar. As you can see, I have this one. So if you want this one, as you can see, this reward, you can now complete a level of that to be able to get that reward. For example, Lord reward, it's locked. You need to complete some levels to be able to get that reward. It's like for that, the prompt. If you tap on it, you can see here that reward, how it's look like. So as you can see, Centuries reward. So this is how to check rewards of your hero in Marvel Rivals. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.